Hey guys, so this is a video on probability given probability. So I'm going to read this problem to you, and I'm just going to do this quick tutorial of how to solve it. Okay, so it says this season probability that the Yankees will win a game is 0.59. That's 59% chance that they're going to win, right? And then the probability that the Yankees will score 5 or more runs is 0.45. Okay, the probability that the Yankees lose and score fewer than 5 runs is 0.33. Question: what is the probability that the Yankees would score fewer than 5 runs when they lose the game? And round your answer to the nearest thousandth. So at first glance, it seems like this question has already been answered, right? We see right here in this sentence, the probability that the Yankees lose and score fewer than 5 runs is 0.33. My question is, what's the probability that the Yankees would score fewer than 5 runs when they lose? Those are actually different. So let's talk about why. First thing I'm going to do to not, so I'm not scratching my head so much, is I'm going to try to organize my thoughts with the two-way table that we've been talking about. So magic in 1, 2, 3. There's my two-way table. All right. In red, I've got the given information. So I've got 59% chance that the Yankees will win. All right. I've got a 45% chance that they score 5 or more, and a 33% chance that they lose and score less than 5 runs. All right. However, that is different from saying scoring 5 runs when they lose. All right, the chance of them scoring five less than 5 runs when they lose, and that's because we've already talked about conditional probability. All right, this is saying we're going to score fewer than 5 runs given that we lose the game. So right here you can interpret the when as given. All right, so that allows us to isolate a couple of quantities. Okay, so we wanna look at this percentage right here. We want to look at the percentage that says less than 5 runs. That's 0.33. All right. Now, given that they lose, so what's the chance of them losing? Well, that's 0.41. So what I'm really finding is the probability like this: 0.33 over 0.41, right? Because these are my, I guess you could say, successful events, scoring less than 5 runs, and my total population is losses, which is a 41% chance. So if I take 33 over 41, or 33% over 41%, I'm going to get 80%, 80.4, and if I go to the nearest thousandth, right, I'm going to say 80.48, not 7, but 8, 80.488, and that's a percent. Okay, which if I write it as a percent, really I could say 0.805. All right, same thing, and that's probably the better of my two answers. So again, if I'm looking at 3 out of every 4 cases, practically, I'm looking at around 75. This is really about 80%. Okay. Again, this is an example of conditional probability because, again, it says probability that they score fewer than 5 when, red flag, given, when they lose the game. All right, so this must only be tallied up in the loss column.